good, crypto friends? I hope you're doing well. We're going to look at Optimism today. We are up 20% plus on the daily time frame. You can see this awesome green bubble right here. We have got Bitcoin down 2.4% and Ethereum is down 3%, but Optimism continues to pump despite the downtrend in the rest of the market. You can see $471 million market cap, up 19% today. It's battling with that $2 price level at the moment. 93% increase in the volume with a fully diluted market cap of 8.6 billion. So really interesting to see what's going on with this project. We are rank 82 now amongst other cryptocurrencies, slowly sailing its way through to the top 50. I do think by the next crypto bull run, we will most definitely see a $5 to $10 billion market cap. So I don't know what the price will be because it depends on the maximum supply, of course, but I am feeling super bullish for this project. And if we look at the last 3 months, you can just see we came out of this accumulation range, and really in the last month or so, this is where all of the price actions happened. We've done a crazy 4x already, over 400% increase in price, and that's why we want to talk about it. So let's check out Bitcoin first. You can see, to be honest with you, it doesn't look super bullish. We had a bear flag here. We lost support, of course. We came all the way down, lost that 200-week moving average. Now we can see that we are starting to form a potential double top pattern over here. You can see we get that swing high to resistance, swing low to the neckline, swing high to resistance, and now we've got the first green candle, but we do have a long body on top showing that there's a bit of selling pressure there. So if we do see continuation, I expect Bitcoin to come down to 21k, maybe retest support, and then see continuation down to 20.4k. Of course, the bullish scenario, we just get an impulse wave right up to that $25k level, and things will be looking good all over again. So we've got the two situations. It's hard to say what will definitely happen. We are just bouncing off that 20-day moving average, and on the 4-hour time frame you can see we're just below it, which does usually mean the inception of a downtrend, right? So Bollinger Bands right at the bottom of the ribbon too. It's hard to say what will truly happen, but hopefully we're going to see some good things in the market soon. So this is Optimism. This is their Twitter, 243,000 followers right there. And to be honest, I was doing my due diligence and I could not really find what the pump was about or why this happened, but either way, it's good to see this project pump, because I remember people talking about it a few weeks ago, and only just now is it going absolutely crazy. So I do think a 10 to 20x for this project is realistic by 2025. So here it is. This is the chart pattern that we're seeing at the moment. There is a falling wedge, which we're just breaking out of. So traders, I would have already gone long here. At the entry was $2, and we're at 201 at the moment. The target is going to be $2.08. So we are breaking out that falling wedge as we see. However, I would also consider just the bearish scenario first. So we have had quite a big bearish divergence on the daily time frame. As you can see, we put through a higher high on the price, lower low on the RSI. So we do have that bearish divergence. Let's also see the size of the wicks here on top of the body. Lots of selling pressure. And another thing to consider here for Optimism is this wick right here. So from the 29th of July 2022, that $1.97 level is a key level of support. So if we fall back through this green line, we might see continuation down to lower levels. I mean, I don't know how low, of course, but we could see continuation down to maybe the 190 level or the 181 level, or even the golden pocket at $1.70. So they're just a few scenarios that could, of course, happen, which wouldn't really be ideal, but we've got to consider that we are pretty pumped right here. We're overbought on the RSI. If we look at the 20-day moving average, we're overextended here, and also on the daily time frame, we are severely overextended. So ideally, what we'd want to see happen is, of course, the normal progression here, looking nice and linear, and then ideally trade sideways, stay above this key support level at 196, and then come in touch with the 20-day moving average. Otherwise, we might come down to the moving average, but much more volatile, and then see like a $1.30 Optimism, which just wouldn't really be as ideal. You can see we're right at the top of the Bollinger Band too. Usually it does say, okay, let's go short. Maybe we're a bit overheated. Things have moved too quickly, but it could be different on this occasion. We don't really know. I don't know who accumulated. I don't know what the reasoning was behind this. It's completely crazy, but you can see mad volume has been coming in over the last days. big volume wicks, and we just popped out this accumulation phase here. And as a result, we're seeing a massive pump to the upside. We're already up since the bottom 442%. So there's some massive gains for people that got in really early on this project. Right now we are printing more green candles on the 30-minute time frame, and we are just trying to retest that 20-day moving average. So hopefully we can see a bit of continuation here for our friend Optimism. It does look like a good project. If we were to see another impulse, another leg up here, we can take the swing high to swing low, and we should see Optimism come at least to the golden pocket up to $2.41 over the next few weeks. First resistance or target technically is going to be $2.32, followed by $2.39. So let me know in the comments, guys, what do you think Optimism is going to do? Do you think we will see a dumpage? Are we going to lose the support level of 197, or will we see continuation to the upside? Because we are getting that rollover on the price. Things have been very bullish, and of course this key area of support we rely on very much at 197. So maybe we're going to get the rollover, maybe we don't. It could just simply be this falling wedge, which is of course a bullish pattern. Might just get a bounce and then roll over from it and then see continuation to the downside. I don't know. I personally think there's too much greed and euphoria attached to it right now. Even though we are getting the breakout of this falling wedge, it's really tough to actually know what's going to happen without understanding what the trajectory of Bitcoin is right now too, because that needs to pump in order for the rest of the market to pump, right? Crypto fear and greed index today, guys, is sitting at 30, so we are just jumping out of the extreme fear zone. The market might head back to neutral or even have a minor greed phase soon. That would be really ideal. And the Bitcoin rainbow chart on the logarithmic scale suggests that we are back in that dark blue region, which is basically a fire sale. If you bought here, the COVID-19 2020 crash, you'd be in major profits, and if you bought here, you'd also be in major profits. So will we see history repeat itself by the time Bitcoin gets to maybe $100,000 or $150,000? Guys, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, comment. I'm doing a $200 giveaway of my favorite project known as Lucky Block for anyone that subscribes. Thank you so much for watching. Stay crypto safe. Come say hello in the Discord, the Telegram down below. Get yourself in all my social channels so you can stay up to date with the latest crypto news and insights. And remember, guys, if you ever get any messages, it's an impersonator. It's not going to be me. The only way you can actually message me is by coming into the Discord and actually saying hello and inboxing me yourself. So please be aware the comments are full of scammers and impersonators, and it is actually never me. Anyway, I hope to see you soon. Stay tuned. Let me know how your day is. Let me know what you're investing in at the moment. I'd be very keen to know. And I shall catch up with you soon. Goodbye for now.